I'm Joshua Bardwell, and you're going to learn something today. Have you ever plugged in your quadcopter? Usually it's a new quadcopter or a new flight controller, and you see a screen full of V's all over your OSD. It's an easy fix. It just means you need to re-upload the font to your OSD. Here's how you do it. I've got to do it to this quad, so I'm going to take you along for the ride. One thing you got to keep in mind is that most, all, I'm not sure, some flight controllers, you have to have the battery plugged in so that the OSD chip gets power. Otherwise, it will seem like everything you're doing worked, but then it won't fix the problem. So I'm going to plug in USB and I'm going to plug in battery, and your prop should be off for this. Having done that, I'm going to go to the OSD tab here in Betaflight, and I'm going to hit the font manager, and I'm simply going to hit upload font. You can actually change the font if you want to. Betaflight has several different fonts. You can check them out and see which one you like the look of best. I just like the default font myself. And just hit upload font, and that will fix your problem. That's it. Short video today. Thanks for watching. Happy flying.